if something happens to me on ship, those people should not tell my wife, "Arey, the insurance plan was not filled very properly." So, sir, my question to you is, from where should I buy my term insurance?
A good question. Considering the penetration, matlab, in the world of digitalization, everything is digital. Most of the times, you have only actually two options right now. It is online and offline. So online means directly you will go to that particular insurance company's website. And the second one is you catch hold of an agent who works for that same company. These are the two ways what you can do. Now, where do I stand into that is twofold. One, I am also an advisor or an agent for an term plan or a life insurance company. That is first part. The second one, which is more interesting, which I wanted to like tell or which interests me, is to have a consultancy services where, as per the client's needs, age, his profession, city, etc., I take a call. First of all, whether he requires a term plan or a life insurance or not. That is the first thing. Second thing, if he requires it, we advise him what to go for, what not to go for, etc. If he agrees to that and all, then we give him the quotations, etc. If he wants to buy out from our company, that is from me, it is purely up to his choice. No hard and fast rule or pressure from my side whether he wants to buy it from me or not. Definitely, he can take a call later on, taking all the informations and all. Not an issue from my end at all. So currently, we are doing the consultancy services. I'm associated with ICICI Prudential Life Insurance a lot of years, 3 years, 4 years now finished, associated with them. Selling ICICI term plan only. I have not yet sold any life insurance policy other than term plan. I do not believe in any returns, child plan, education, retirement, and the all the types of insurances which we have discussed before also. So online and through the agent is the only two methods from where you can buy out.
Okay. Sir, इसी में my next question is, online, then there is one is Policy Bazaar. Second is, you can go to that particular website, say you go to ICICI Lombard, you go to Max Life Insurance or whatsoever, you go there and you
Yes,
fill, their own people will call. Third is
yes,
going through an agent as well. So I
yes,
think these are the three things. Now,
yes,
so when I go to Policy Bazaar, they tell me, okay, you do this, but I'm a seafarer. My
yes,
first problem is going to be, maybe if something happens to me on ship, those people should not tell my wife, "Arey, the insurance plan was not filled very properly, and this detail was not filled, this that detail was not filled." So
correct.
there are some forms that we need to fill there as well.
Yes,
Similarly, if I go for a bank services as well, there also the agents are sitting. They might not be making well informed decisions for me.
yes,
Similarly, I might be going offline, but there also an agent will be there. He might not be knowing much. Now,
yes.
this is where I would love to know ki which all forms people need to fill and which is very important for them.
Okay, so each company on its own, but there are three, four forms which one has to fill up. First, with our degree of profession, we are in a completely different profession, a ball game altogether. Most of them don't even know what we do on board ships, what is merchant navy, etc. The forms what a mariner has to fill, one is the mariner questionnaire, where he has to mention what all things he does on board, like how much is the percentage of the field work, how much is his paperwork in his 6 months or 9 months contract, etc. First is that. Next is his travel questionnaire. That is the expected or estimated travel from where he's coming, where he is estimated to go forward in that way. That is the forms. One is the mariner, one is the travel. There is one more, and one is the occupation questionnaire.
Okay.
These three forms are compulsory. Now it depends on insurance company to company. These forms may be called as different names altogether, but we are trying to profile you. We are trying to profile you health wise, profession wise, the risk wise, because insurance is all about probability statistics of the risks carried, right? These are the three forms. The fourth form is optional, whether he wants to enroll under Married Women's Protection Act or not. So it is on the person to person whether he wants his policy to be enrolled under Married Women's Protection or not.
Which the videos which will be I think later on that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So thank you very much, sir, for this video. Thank you.
इंश्योरेंस इज अ गेम ऑफ ट्रस्ट. हम किससे करवा रहे हैं, क्यों करवा रहे हैं, इट इज रियली अ मैटर ऑफ ट्रस्ट. Like I remember when I had to buy insurance, I took a lot of time till the time my own sister became an agent and I could trust her. And that is how this thing I came to. This is a big problem. I thought the information is easily available. No, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of filters required. So these are the videos that you need to watch, and with this just one video everything will not be sorted. So there is this free course complete available over here for insurance. The complete content may be for 5 or 6 hours, but it is worth it. ये 5 से 6 घंटे देके you can make very well informed right decisions of your career for term insurance, for health insurance and for house insurance even. And why? Because एक गलती कई बार हमें बहुत लाखों के नीचे लेकर आती है. So 5 hours of yours can change your life. So why don't you enroll for this free course? Make well informed decisions. बाकी Team Merchant Navy Decoded is always there to help you. You're most welcome to ask your questions on Merchant Navy Decoded platform or on the YouTube channel. We are there to help you. We'll find out the right answer and make videos for you as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Enroll now.